अस्सलामुअलैकुम, मैं हूं इंजीनियर अली इरफान एक नई वीडियो के साथ। इस वक्त हम मौजूद हैं यांगलिंग होटल में और आज हम लोगों की जो फर्स्ट 3 ग्रुप्स हैं उनकी स्पीचेस हैं और फुल तैयारी के साथ सभी लोग आए हुए हैं। आज मेरी भी स्पीच है। मैं थोड़ा सा नर्वस भी हूँ, थोड़ा सा प्रेशर भी है क्योंकि जब भी आप लोग स्टेज पे जाते हैं तो आपके ऊपर एक प्रेशर होता है। हाई एफिशिएंसी इरिगेशन सिस्टम की हमारी ये क्लास है और ये समरी मीटिंग है जिसमें हम लोगों ने जो ट्रेनिंग है उसको वाइंड अप करना है। तो 1 बाय 1 जो है वो सारे जो स्पीकर है वो आएंगे और बोलेंगे। सेरेमनी का आगाज सबसे पहले डॉक्टर ली ने किया और डॉक्टर ली ने हमें वाटर सप्लाई और ड्रेनेज का जो कोर्स है वो बड़े अच्छे अंदाज से टीच किया। तो आइए उनको सुनते हैं।
Solution is the field of effective water-saving irrigation. Of course, the training contact not only covers effective water-saving irrigation, but also includes water conservation, engineering management, water resource management process. You are resources. Thank you all, and I wish you all the best in the future. Thank you.
हमारे प्रोफेशनल्स में से जो सबसे पहले बारी आई नलैन मोहम्मद की, तो आइए उनको सुनते हैं।
It is a great honor for me to speak on behalf of my group and share a few words about this important training program. First, I would like to thank the Prime Minister of Pakistan for starting this program. For the first time in our country's history, agricultural professionals have received such an opportunity to train and get an international exposure. Our classes, visits and activities so well. Their efforts made this training smooth and unforgettable. I believe this is not the end, but the beginning of a new journey. I hope we will continue work together in research and other sharing ideas to improve agriculture in Pakistan. May the friendship between Pakistan and China grow even stronger. Visheshly thank you. Long live Pakistan, long live Pakistan-China friendship.
Dr. Hufei.
आज के जो सेकंड स्पीकर हैं वो डॉक्टर फयाज हुसैन साहब हैं जो कि डॉक्टर हुफे के नाम से मशहूर हैं। आइए उनको सुनते हैं।
Yeah, it's a long history of questions and sessions. I know this journey is beyond many things. We come on the first day, we were different, but on the last day we are feeling like we are more than friendship. We are pleased, we are friendship, we know each other very well. On the first day I don't know many of them, but now I know all of them. Thank you very much. So, it's a great honor for me because the initiative was taken by the Prime Minister of Pakistan, and he came here to visit many agricultural universities and also go with the research institutes and saw that one China has built a very good, like a sound knowledge, and also they go with a 5G agriculture. So that's why the initiative was very important for us, and he thank Storm and tech companies. Every movement brought us closer to understanding how China turned agricultural challenges into a smart innovation. So, seeing that the training provided us some fundamental components of HEIS, leading toward like we installed micro spray irrigation system in the college. That was very helpful for all of us. We have the hand-on practice on this one. The other side, we can say that there are core assessments that are some leading toward missing understanding that despite the theoretical strength, more detailed sessions on system hydraulics and irrigation scheduling would have to be improved conceptually for the clarity.
Okay, thank you for briefing. So welcome Ali.
इसके बाद स्पीच के लिए मुझे बुलाया गया। आई वॉज लिटिल बिट नर्वस बट इन द एंड ऑल वॉज गुड। आइए देखते हैं क्या होता है।
Ni hao, assalamu alaikum, good morning everyone. Today I am going to talk about this training from my group. My group members are Engineer Malik Mubashir Ishaq, Hafiz Abdul Rahman, Mr. Amir Javed, Mr. Noman Khalid and myself Engineer Ali Irfan. Your deep technical knowledge, practical demonstration and hands-on approaches have greatly enhanced our understanding on modern irrigation techniques, water conservation, soil conservation and sustainable agriculture in the precision agriculture. The different session on hydroponic and vertical farming system has introduced revolutionary spaced, efficient, resource-saving techniques demonstrating how we can grow more with a less land use while increasing the productivity. These techniques are not only the innovations, but the future of food security, sustainable agriculture and sustainable environment. We are grateful for this transformative knowledge and we look forward to implement by equipping these professionals in world-class skills. This training program is yet another milestone between the two countries, Pakistan and China. Your generosity in sharing that knowledge not only strengthens our capabilities, but also the brotherhood between the two nations, Pakistan and China. We hope this is just a beginning of long-term partnership between the two nations. We look forward to more exchange programs, more joint research projects, more initiatives in order to enhance the agricultural cooperation between the two countries. In the end, I would like to say, may the Pak-China friendship may continue to flourish for a greener future. Thank you everyone for your patience.
इसके बाद कुछ ऑडियंस से भी उनके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू लिए गए। तो सबसे पहले बारी मेरे दोस्त बलोच की आई उसको सुनते हैं।
China, especially.
One
paragraph, make it for one paragraph.
Okay. Thank you.
随着这个社区深入，最后 I get good news from Hubei. Some of us to Chongqing start.
के बाद डॉक्टर ली के साथ हमारे टीचर आए हुए थे AutoCAD और रिवर्ट सॉफ्टवेयर वाले। उन्होंने जो है रिमार्क्स दिए और जो हमारी आज की सेरेमनी थी इख्तिताम पजीर हुई एंड में कुछ ग्रुप फ़ोटोज़ ली गई। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग वीडियो।